Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage, and today we're doing a little bit of a heater comparison. They're both 1500 watt heaters, but there are some subtle differences. So let's get into it. First, let me orientate you to the heaters. The one up on the wall here is the PowerScale 1500 watt infrared heater. The one right down here on this pole is the Paraheeter 1500 watt infrared heater. I know, same heater, right? Well, sort of. The first difference that you could clearly see is the Paraheeter comes with this pole, so you can move this around anywhere that you want to. You can also mount it to the wall or the ceiling because it does come with the brackets for that. So you have options with that one. The PowerScale, you're limited to just the wall mount, but that doesn't make the PowerScale the quick loser of this. There's a couple options on the PowerScale that I like better than the Paraheeter. The Paraheater is a pretty simple system. It is basically a dumb heater. It has low and high, so you could set it at 1500 watts or about 750 watts, and that thing is just going to run for as long as you leave it on for. The PowerScale, on the other hand, now there's some options there. That has a 0 to 9 level power rating and a 1 to 24 hour timer rating. So you could leave it as a dumb heater and just put it on 9 and let it run continuously. Or you could set it for a time limit. Let's say you leave the house and you want it to just be on for a couple hours to keep the house at a nice level. You could put it on for 2 hours at a power level of 5. And that thing's going to run for 2 hours and then automatically shut off. So on that side, the PowerScale is the winner. As far as the mounting system goes, the PowerScale is the easier of the two to mount to the wall. It's a single bracket and you just mount that to the wall and then mount the heater to it and you're done. The Paraheeter is 2 brackets and you mount 2 of them to the wall and then you mount the other 2 brackets to the back of the heater. So as far as mounting system goes, I do like the PowerScale. But you also have to look at the fact with the Paraheeter, that mounting system works with this travel rod so you can move it around the room. I know. So I've talked about both the heaters and pretty much told you they're exactly the same thing except for 2 options. So which one would I recommend to you? So honestly, it really depends on what you need. If you just want a single heater in your garage that's never going to move, I'd probably go with the PowerScale just because of the different options that you have for the heat and the timer. But if you need one that you're going to move around your garage from time to time to make sure it's in the exact right spot, or you want to take it outside and put it on your patio while you have guests there, but you don't always want to leave it, then I'd recommend the Paraheeter. Really what you need to know is either of these heaters are great, they work great, and there's options on both of them that make them very likable. You just have to figure out which one is right for your situation. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.